welcomes you all in our today's EVS class. I hope you all are absolutely fit and fine and enjoying your life. So, firstly, I want to tell you that we are here after summer break. Hope you all enjoyed your summer break. So, as we organized a summer camp for you, many of you have participated in that summer camp. So, you enjoyed lots of activities there, like cuisine club was there, dance club, and singing, music, and all things were there, right? Hope you all enjoyed those activities. And for that, I want to congratulate to all the winners. So, in this class today, I will tell you what we are going to discuss about. We will discuss about the holiday homework. That hope you all have done your holiday homework and submitted to the school reception. And then the second thing we will discuss about syllabus done till now. जितना भी syllabus हमने अभी तक किया है, we will discuss that. And we will discuss about the revision schedule. So अभी जो हमने अभी तक कर लिया है syllabus, अब उसका हम revision भी start करेंगे. I will take test. So test कैसे लूँगी? I will send you the PDF files or some worksheet based questions and answer. I can give you MCQs also. So उस रिवीजन शेड्यूल में क्या होगा, आपको मैं एक PDF बनाकर सेंड कर दिया करूँगी और आई विल गिव यू अ प्रॉपर टाइम, और आपको उस टाइम तक मुझे वो रिटर्न करना होगा बाय क्लिकिंग अ पिक्चर इन योर फोन एंड देन सेंड इट बैक टू मी. ओके, सो दैट इज द रिवीजन शेड्यूल. One by one, I will clearly tell you about it. Yes, students. So, what was your holiday homework? Your holiday homework was, I gave you that you have to draw a picture of plant and their parts. So, their parts are roots, stem, leaf, flower, and seeds. These were the 5 parts of the plants. And the next is, I gave you, you have to write 5 plants name which provide medicines. Okay, I am writing like tulsi, neem, and these are the plants which provides us medicines. So first is tulsi, neem, then ginger, aloe vera, tulsi, neem, ginger, aloe vera, and mint. These are the 5 plants which provides us medicine, which we are using as a medicine, right? Now the next I gave you 2 methods by which we can prevent spread of coronavirus. अब कोरोना वायरस को फैलने से बचने के लिए हम क्या क्या कर सकते हैं? We can maintain social distancing, okay, and stay at home by washing your hands after 20 minutes. And one more thing with what we can do, we can prevent coronavirus by wearing mask. If you are going out of your home, so always wear mask. And the next I gave you learn and complete all the work done till now. जितना भी हमने अभी तक वर्क कर लिया है उसको कंप्लीट करने के लिए कहा था और लर्न करने के लिए कहा था. क्यों लर्न करने के लिए कहा था? क्योंकि अभी हम रिवीजन स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं. ओके, अभी हम रिवीजन स्टार्ट करें, देन आपके एग्जाम्स भी होंगे. सो फॉर दैट यू हैव टू बी रेडी. अच्छे से हमें प्रिपेयर रखना है, हर एक लेसन को अच्छे से रीड करना है फर्स्टली, बिकॉज आई कैन गिव यू क्वेश्चंस कंटेंट बेस्ड ऑल्सो. आपके कंटेंट में से भी क्वेश्चंस आ सकते हैं. ओके, सो दिस वाज अबाउट द हॉलीडे होमवर्क. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट द वर्क डन टिल नाउ. जितना अभी तक कर लिया है हमने उसके बारे में बात करें. ये स्टूडेंट्स, सो व्हाट वी हैव डन टिल नाउ, अभी आपको मैं उसके बारे में बताऊंगी. वी हैव डन टोटल 5 चैप्टर्स. लेसन फर्स्ट, लेसन सेकेंड, लेसन थर्ड, लेसन फोर्थ एंड लेसन फिफ्थ. लेसन फर्स्ट वाज लर्निंग इन अ फैमिली, जिसमें हमने सिर्फ फैमिली के बारे में रीड किया था, राइट? जिसमें एक गर्ल प्रिया थी और ब्रदर राहुल, उसकी फैमिली के बारे में सारा डिस्क्राइब किया था, दैट व्हाट दे आर लर्निंग फ्रॉम देयर फैमिली, राइट? And what is the relationship between their parents and with them, उनका रिलेशन उनके पेरेंट्स के साथ कैसा है, ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स के साथ कैसा है. सो एवरीथिंग हमने उस चैप्टर में रीड किया था. ओके, एंड वी हैव डन बुक वर्क एंड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स ऑल्सो. होप यू ऑल हैव लर्न इट. एंड नाउ सेकेंड लेसन वॉज आवर स्वीट होम, जिस चैप्टर में हमने होम के बारे में रीड किया था, राइट. In that chapter, that was a topic of inside a home. क्या क्या घर के अंदर होता है, things we are using for cleaning our home, and how many rooms are there. So everything which includes in our sweet home. And lesson third was animal world, जिसमें हमने each and every animal के बारे में बात की थी, right? Some animals run fast, some animals crawl, some animals live on land, some live in water, some fly in the sky. So हमने हर तरह के एनिमल के बारे में इस चैप्टर में बात की थी. Now move on to the fourth chapter. Fourth chapter was plants around us. In this chapter we had read about plants. कितनी तरह के plants होते हैं? 3 types of plants I told you, right? First was herbs, shrubs and trees. 3 plants I told you, and that was plants around us. जितने भी तरह के plants होते हैं, some plants we can find in the mountains, right? जहाँ पर ज़्यादा ठंड होती है. Some plant grow in the warm places. So like this, there were many plants which we can see around us. And then lesson number 5 is beautiful world of birds. Beautiful world of birds. Birds के beautiful worlds के बारे में बात की थी, जिसमें हमने सिर्फ birds के बारे में read किया था. So these were total 5 chapters we have done till now. We have done bookwork. We have done question answers also. Okay, so now what we are going to do, we will revise this chapter firstly. In today's session, we will revise lesson number 1, that is learning in a family. We will revise it. We will learn it. Okay, so आप मेरे साथ सभी अच्छे से learn करेंगे. And in the next session, means tomorrow, what we are supposed to do, we will start our next chapter. So our next chapter name is We Care for Animals. We Care for Animals. We will start that chapter, and I can show you the picture of first page of that chapter that we will start tomorrow. Yes, this is We Care for Animals. We will start this chapter, but in today's session we are doing just revision of first chapter. Okay, so now let's do. Yes, students, now we are going to start the revision of lesson number 1, that is learning in a family. Firstly, we will do the content revision, then question answers. Okay, so we are starting with the content. So what was in this chapter? There was a girl, Priya, and her brother name is Rahul. So Priya is Rahul's sister. Priya is Rahul's sister. Now, Priya and her brother, they live in a big family. They live in a big family. So, Priya and Rahul live in a big family. Big family and small family. There are 2 types of family. 2 types of families are there. So, nuclear family, that is known as small family, and joint family, that is known as big family. So, there are 2 types of families, nuclear family and joint family. And joint family is a big family. उस family में क्या होता है? Contain like grandparents साथ रहते हैं, हमारे uncle aunt हमारे साथ रहते हैं. So that is big family, and nuclear family is a very small family in which only parents and their children. Understand? Now they live in a big family with their grandmother, with their grandfather, grandmother, uncle and aunt. So what is their relation with their grandfather and grandmother? firstly we will talk about this. So what is their relation now? Priya is granddaughter. Priya is granddaughter of her grandparents. Priya is granddaughter of her grandparents. And Rahul is grandson. Rahul is grandson of their grandparents. As you all know, for girls we are using daughter, and for boys we are using son. So Priya, what is the relation of Priya with the grandparents? She is granddaughter of her grandparents, and Rahul is grandson of his grandparents. Understand? Okay, the next is uncle and aunt. Now, what is the relation with uncle and aunt? Priya is a girl, right? So, girl, so here, Priya's relation with uncle and aunt is niece. She is niece of her uncle and aunt. And for boy, we are using nephew. So, Rahul. What is the relation of Rahul with uncle and aunt? He is nephew of his uncle and aunt. Understand? Now the next topic is learning with joy. Yes, so the next topic is thinking and looking alike. Thinking and looking alike means हम जिस फैमिली में रह रहे हैं उस फैमिली के किसी ना किसी मेंबर से हम रिसेंबल करते हैं. Like Priya resembles with her mother, Rahul resembles with his father. Okay? So इस तरह से हम किसी ना किसी फैमिली मेंबर से रिसेंबल करते हैं. आप शायद अपनी अंकल से रिसेंबल करते हो, शायद आप अपनी मदर से रिसेंबल करते हो. इस तरह से हम एक दूसरे से रिसेंबल करते हैं. हम उन्हीं की तरह सोचते हैं, उन्हीं की तरह बोलते हैं, उन्हीं की तरह सब काम करते हैं, तो उनकी हैबिट्स हमारे में भी आ जाती हैं. Okay, so this is thinking and looking alike. And one more thing, your father's side parents, father's side grandparents are your only grandfather or grandmother, and your mother's side will be maternal. Like maternal grandfather, maternal grandmother, like this, maternal uncle, maternal aunt. Understand? And your uncle and aunt के जो बेबी हैं, that is your cousins. वो आपके कौन होते हैं? Cousin. So now I hope it is clear. It was a quick recap. Now we are starting with the question and answer. Yes, students, now listen it carefully and learn with me. There are 3 types of questions in every chapter: very short, and long. And in your book there are some MCQs like multiple choice questions. I can give content based multiple choice question in the exam or in test also. So you have to read chapter properly. I have already sent you the PDF files earlier, so you can read from there as your books are with me. So for that you can read, and we are starting the revision now. Learn it with me. Okay, the first question is very short question answer. We are starting with a very short question answer. Name 2 things that you can buy from market. हम मार्केट से कौन कौन सी चीज़ें खरीद सकते हैं, हमें वो बताना है. So we can buy fruits and vegetables from the market. We can buy anything from market. So you have to write only 2 things. आप इस तरह से कोई भी 2 things लिख सकते हैं. Now the next is name 1 thing that we learn from our family. You have to write 1 thing that you learn from your family. जो आप अपनी फैमिली से सीखते हैं, like you are learning how to love and care each other, how to just help each other, right? So इस तरह से हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें अपनी फैमिली से सीख रहे हैं. Good manners, good habits. So you can write any one of them. And नाउ शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर आर व्हाई इज द फैमिली कॉल्ड आवर फर्स्ट स्कूल. अभी मैंने आपको बताया हमारी फैमिली हमारा फर्स्ट स्कूल क्यों है. जस्ट बिकॉज हम अपनी फैमिली से सबसे पहले सब कुछ सीखना शुरू करते हैं. वी आर लर्निंग गुड मैनर्स, गुड हैबिट्स, लव एंड केयर, हेल्पिंग ईच अदर फ्रॉम आवर फैमिली फर्स्ट. इट मीन्स आवर फैमिली इज आवर फर्स्ट स्कूल. So our family is called our first school as we learn so many things from our family before we learn things from our school. हमारे स्कूल से पहले हम अपनी फैमिली में सीख रहे हैं तो हमारा फर्स्ट स्कूल कौन सा हुआ? फैमिली. अंडरस्टैंड? Now the second question, write two things that we learn from our family. Two things लिखनी है जो आप अपनी फैमिली से सीखे हैं. You can write any of them. So we learn love and care for one another. We also learn to help each other in many ways. Okay, एक दूसरे की कई तरीके से हेल्प करने में हमने सीखा है कैसे हेल्प करनी चाहिए. So now long question answers. How do you help your parents at home? आप अपने पेरेंट्स की कैसे हेल्प करते हैं? Like I help my mother in the kitchen. I help my father in cleaning the car and like this. We are helping our parents in many ways. You can write any 3 or 4 of them. Okay. Now the next last question is, how do you show respect to the elders in your family? Elder means जो हमसे बड़े होते हैं, हम उन्हें रिस्पेक्ट कैसे देते हैं. So I listen to my elders. मैं उनकी बात सुनती हूँ, उनका कहना मानती हूँ, उनकी हेल्प करती हूँ. इस तरह से we are respecting our elders. आई होप रिवीजन अच्छे से हो गया है इस चैप्टर का. एंड आई विल गिव यू द डेट ऑफ टेस्ट. आपको टेस्ट की डेट बता दूंगी बट आफ्टर रिसीविंग नोटबुक्स. जब आपके पास नोटबुक्स पहुंच जाएंगी देन आई विल टेक टेस्ट. एंड दैट इज ऑल फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय बाय.